I currently have 80 chickens on the property in 3 different locations. We are to stage number 2 on that process. So things have been pretty crazy these past couple weeks since I posted my last video. So I got in another batch of chicks from the mail. And actually, that's the batch that you're gonna be seeing soon. So I've got their new feed set up right here. There will be some instructions down in the description for what temps the chicks should be at what times. Alrighty, so I think this area is ready for the chicks. So now it's time to transfer these guys. So we have 22 chicks, and these are the types of chicks that I buy Freedom Rangers instead of Cornish Cross, just because these guys grow a little bit slower, which means that their organs don't start shutting down when they start to get to processing age. Let's go check on the chicks that are in the chicken tractor. So here are the chicks. I just put them into here and they're getting a lot bigger. These are the first batch that we had. The ones that you were just seeing is the second batch that we got. These guys have a little bit bigger of waterer, a 5-gallon waterer, and they also have a tube for their feed now so that I can just go in there and dump that in to there. So they're really enjoying life. They can eat the grass and they are having a lot of fun in here, getting used to their new environment. So for the first day that they are out on the grass, we're gonna go ahead and just leave them inside so that they can get acquainted with their new home, so that they somewhat know where their home is. Really quickly, right behind me here are my egg-laying chickens. So they are doing very, very well. This is kind of like the golden age for care for these guys, just because they're very low maintenance. It's not gotten to the hot part of the year where you have to have high maintenance, make sure that they have plenty of water and everything like that. They have a little bit of maintenance, but not too much. So that's really good. I'll give an update later. Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.